In this video, I will show you how to register for UAE Pass account. First, launch open the UAE Pass app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can download and install it from Play Store or App Store. Now, you want to tap on Continue over here, then tap on the Create New Account option. On this page, tap on Continue. Now, you will have to accept the terms and condition. Make sure that you read through all of this, then toggle this option on. Now tap on Accept. Now you can proceed as citizen or resident or a visitor. Now if you have Emirates card, you can simply tap on the Scan Now option and then scan your Emirates card over here. If you are a visitor, you will have to enter either your GCC ID card or passport. Now enter all the required information, follow the on-screen prompts. Now carefully review the details you have entered, then submit your registration request. Next, enter your mobile phone number. Now a verification code will be sent to your phone. Enter the verification code to complete the verification process. Once your registration is complete, you will receive a notification confirming that your Emirates ID information has been successfully verified and your UAE Pass account has been created. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.